A battery, even a new one, is discharged after some days of resting and the car won't crank. Probably you got a power leak issue, and I show you in this video how to detect. A little safety disclaimer: always maintain not to shortcut the battery. Wear glasses and gloves, and here we go. So turn off ignition, remove the keys and lock the doors. Lock the doors because if not, the inside lights of the car would take some currents and you get wrong measurements. If you have a car with a radio with radio codes, please before check out the codes so you can restart the radio after this procedure. If it's a car with modern electronics, it could take about half an hour. Some special cars take more. They take about hours to shut down all the computers, all the devices like motor management and all that stuff to sleep modus. So just wait some time. Now disconnect the negative terminal. Why negative? If you would use the positive terminal and get contact between your wrench or spanner and any metal parts, you would have a short circuit with destroying any parts of the car, so be careful. Now take a multimeter and switch measurement to ampere or current and DC. This is very important to check the right measurement value, because if you, for example, would connect AC, you wouldn't measure anything. And check out usually you should change to with the red cable to a different terminal of the multimeter. It's badged with A for ampere. If you use an older analog multimeter, you must care for polarity. So plus battery, plus multimeter, minus battery, terminal or cable. And now read the current at the multimeter. It should be higher than, okay, the most cars are somewhere about 30 milliamperes, or if you chose an ampere, 0.03 ampere. Some cars take about 50 milliamperes or a bit more, but anything more, you detected a power leak. And now you can check or pull, however, fuse by fuse. And at the fuse, the current drops. You are in the area of the consumer, of the leak. So let's make an example. If you pull, for example, fuse 18, and you recognize a remarkable drop of current, maybe from 200 milliampere to 10 milliampere, so either the tail wiper or the electric mirror is that device consuming the current. If this was effortless, take a look to the generator. There is a device called, we in Germany say Rückstromdiode, so the reverse current diode, and if an inappropriate jump starting the car experienced, this could be destroyed, and so you have a permanent current from your battery over the generator to mass of the car. So disconnect the charging cable to, it's the small one, the small red one at the terminal usually. Oh, I almost forgot. In our case, it was the switch of the trunk light. This is very difficult to find, yeah, because you usually don't look in your trunk. And if the bubble is permanently burning, it permanently sucks current out of your battery. Let's make an easy calculation for understanding. For example, your battery has 40 ampere hours and the drain leak takes 1 ampere. So after 40 hours your battery is empty. But long before, maybe if you took 20 or 30 ampere hours out of the battery, there won't be enough capacity to crank your car with about 200, 300 or 400 amperes. In the rear you see a red MGB, and this car has negative earth. That means the plus terminal is at the metal, at the mass of the car. Unlikely the battery is hidden in the rear of the car. So if you jump start it and get the idea to connect minus to the motor block and plus to the starter solenoid, this could become interesting. So I hope this video was helpful for you. I made it in English for my relative, my son-in-law in USA. He is currently struggling with an issue, and I hope it will help for him and help for you with this problem of a battery leak too. Thanks for watching, and maybe a like if you like the video.